Hello sir, good day. This is my midterm examination, which is a video presentation. It's all about the four patterns in nature: the symmetry, fractal spirals, and tessellation.
So first, this is symmetry. Symmetry is an attribute where something is the same on both sides of an axis. Here I have an example. This is a seashell, or also known in Cebuano to Y. As you can see, the both sides is similar to each other. And next is fractal. A fractal is a never-ending pattern. Fractals are infinitely complex patterns that are self-similar across different scales. And this is an example. This leaf is one of the examples of a fractal. As you can see, the pattern of these leaves has different scales. Next is spiral. A spiral is a curve or winding shape that winds around a central point, or a continuous decrease or increase. Here is my example: snail. As you can see, the shape of the snail is curved and the central point is continuously decreasing. Oh, see.
And the last is tessellation. It's a pattern of shapes that fit together perfectly without any gaps. Here is my example: a pineapple. So as you can see, the skin of this fruit or pineapple, there is a pattern fixed together without any gaps. So that's all. That's all for today.